now discuss about the modes of excretion. This excess amount of the amino acids present in the body of animal goes to metabolism. Okay, some amount of the amino acids are utilized by the animals for the production of the enzymes, production of the proteins, and for the storage. Most amino acids, excess amino acids in the body goes to metabolism, and after the metabolism nitrogen is produces. Okay, amino acid metabolism, amino acid metabolism, which one is produces? Nitrogen is produces. This is the nitrogen is toxic to the animal. Okay, this is nitrogen is eliminated from the body in the form of ammonia, urea, uric acid. Okay, nitrogen is eliminated to outside from the body in the form of ammonia, urea, uric acid. These are called nitrogenous waste products. Based on the needs, some amount of the animals excrete urea, some animals eliminate uric acid, some animals eliminate ammonia. Okay, and modes of excretion it is explains with 3 steps. Okay, this first is ammonotelism. Ammonotelism means elimination of the nitrogenous waste product in the form of the ammonia. Okay, and what is the process involved in the formation of the ammonia? It is formed by oxidative deamination of amino acid. Oxidative deamination of the amino acid. NH2 group is separated from the amino acid. It is combined with free hydrogen and goes to the formation of NH3. Okay, in this way NH3 is produces. This is the NH3 is highly toxic and it is eliminated to outside. If you observe in the lower invertebrates means invertebrates. Animals does not having backbone, vertebral column. Okay, for example, animals belonging from the phylum Porifera, phylum Nidaria, and phylum Ctenophora. These animals eliminate ammonia by simple diffusion. Okay, and if you observe bony fishes says ammonia is eliminated through the epithelial cells of gills. Helps in elimination of the ammonia. Okay, and which animals excrete nitrogenous waste product in the form of the ammonia is called ammonotelic animals. Now second one, which is the second one, that is called ureotelism. Okay, in this ureotelism means nitrogenous waste products eliminate outside in the form of the urea. And what is the process involved in the formation of the urea? It is formed by ornithine cycle. Ornithine cycle which is occurs in the liver cells, and so occurring liver cells of vertebrates. In this ornithine cycle, firstly the ammonia which is combines with carbon dioxide and finally produces the urea. Okay, ammonia combines with the carbon dioxide. After the many reactions, urea is produced via the ornithine cycle. Ornithine cycle occurs in liver cells of the vertebrates. Okay, this is about the formation of the urea. This is the urea is eliminated to outside by which animals? These animals are called ureotelic animals. Some animals stores urea in body fluids such as cartilage fishes. Cartilage fishes. Cartilage fishes. Cartilage fishes stores urea in their body fluids. Cartilage fish means the cartilage means spongy bone, skeletal structure made up with the spongy bone. Okay, these are cartilage fishes. Cartilage fishes. Cartilage fishes stores some amount of the urea in their body fluids to maintain high concentration to that equal to marine water. Okay, this is the condition available in cartilage fishes is called physiological uremia. Physiological uremia. And another one, medullary fluid. What is the meaning of the medullary fluid? The space between the renal tubule or the loop of Henle with fluid, that is called medullary fluid. Medullary fluid also stores urea to maintain osmolarity at that region. Okay, medullary fluid is also stores urea in mammals. Okay, to maintain osmolarity at that region, medullary fluid is also consists some amount of the urea. And which animals excrete urea? Which animals eliminate urea? Okay, which animals eliminate nitrogenous waste products in the form of the urea? For example, earthworm, and many amphibians. Many amphibians, mostly which are lived in land surface land, which lives on the surface land. Many amphibians. Earthworm, many amphibians. Okay, so mammals are the example for ureotelic animals. Excrete or eliminate urea. Next, third one, the mode of excretion, that is uricotelism. Okay, what is the meaning of uricotelism? That is nitrogenous waste product eliminate in the form of the uric acid. Okay, this is the uric acid is also found in liver cells of sauropsid reptiles. Sauropsid is a group of the reptiles, terrestrial reptiles, land surface reptiles. Okay, it is uric acid is also formed in Malpighian tubules of insects. Malpighian tubules of insects. Insects are also called tracheate arthropods. tracheate arthropods. Okay, and this is the uric acid is solid in form. When the animals eliminates uric acid, it does not losses amount of the water. Okay, it is the one of the adaptation to conserve the water in the body of the animals. Okay, and which animals are act as uricotelic animals? Animals excrete uric acid. These are called uricotelic animals. Which are the animals are uricotelic animals? For example, sauropsid reptiles, tracheate arthropods, tracheate arthropods, tracheate arthropods. Next, many reptiles. Okay, next birds, land snails also, land snails, birds. Okay, these are examples for uricotelic animals. Okay, students.